Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to add lines in header and footer in a Microsoft Word document. So the way we do it is to first go to the menu called Design and click on it. And after doing that, you'll see an option at the top right corner called Page Borders, and just click on it. And then a dialog box appears, and where you select the style of the line in the like border line, or the line in your top or bottom, or header and footer. And so I'm gonna select this kinds of, there are a lot of options here. You may want to select the dotted line or solid, thick and thin, whatever you want to choose according to your liking and the requirement of the document. And then you may also want to select any color of your choice. So I'm going to select the green color for this demonstration, and the white is basically the thickness. So you can select the thicker or the thinner. So I'm going to select 1.5. Okay. And also you select header. You can select all of these in this preview. You can just select this one, that means you have a header, and this one, that means you have a footer. But you can also add a line on the right side and on the left side. So on all four sides you can choose them. So look at this preview. We have added a line on the left side. We had added a line in the right side, but we're going to unselect them and then just keep the header and footer for this purpose or for this demonstration, and then apply to the whole document. So you can apply it to the whole document so that all pages of your Word document will have a header and footer. But for this demonstration, I'm gonna apply it to the whole document. You may also want to choose to do it for a specific section, maybe your first page or the second page, or here it says the first page only, or you can put your cursor in any other page and apply header and footer to that particular page only. So I'm gonna select whole document and click OK. So then you see that the header is there and the footer is there, and not just the first page but all the pages in this document. So we have a header and footer. We have added header and footer in this Word document. So thanks for watching. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel.